Okay, so we're doing a little unboxing and a little show and tell for some of the stuff that my sponsors brought in, as well as some of the stuff that I actually have for my class. We have a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna show a little bits, pieces, a little bit, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of what'll be included in the kit. So to start, I have my loose eye pigments and glitters that were sponsored to me by Brat Inc. This is a cosmetics company that reached out to me to be one of my sponsors for my makeup class, and she sent me about 20 units of some of her most popular eye pigments, loose pigments, and one of her most popular eye glitters, and I absolutely adore them. So I think this would be a nice cute little touch for my students to add to their kits, something that they probably don't have already. And I think it'll just be a nice cute girly touch. Like, they are very multi-purpose and the quality is definitely A1 on these. That's probably my favorite thing about them. She did include one of her business cards, and I'm going to link everybody's info below for the sponsors too. This next company is a company that I truly admire, and like, if I were to rebrand and re-represent myself in my own cosmetics company, I would so totally take notes from them. This is Malibeaux Cosmetics. She is a luxe cosmetic lip brand, and she also offers brow pencils as well, but she sponsored me two of her most popular shades. We have a classic clear that's infused with mint, and then we have one of her best-selling nude shades called Nude Girl. So super duper cute. Love her company. Very excited to have her on board, and I really appreciate her professionalism. I think that's probably one of my favorite things about her. I see a little tinge of myself there. I love that. And her packaging is probably some of the luxest stuff I've ever held in a long time, so that gives me good points too. Next up is another one of my favorite personal companies. This is Bugaboo Cosmetics, and I am totally in love with their whole aesthetic, the whole quality of their products. I'm totally in love with the owner as well. Her name's Naila. Hey, thanks. She sponsored some of her best-selling Damsel in Distress clear glosses, and as you can see, it has real rose petal flakes in them. So I thought that would be a nice touch and something personal to her brand that will separate from the other brands that I have sponsoring as well. Okay, so story time. This is a brand that I reached out to specifically to sponsor my class. They're a little bigger brand, a little more well known, and I was really anxious because I didn't know the feedback I was going to get back. But thankfully, she did reach back out to me, and we did solidify the sponsorship. So thank you so much again for that. All of the powders are so super stinking cute. The packaging is adorable. They all come with their own mini puffs and a cute little mirror. And I think that it'll just be a wonderful starter, something for my students to have, because it's very beginner friendly as well. So far that's what I have for my sponsors. I'm still waiting on some stuff to come in. The rest is stuff that I purchased myself. So I got a few of the brush and sponge sets from e.l.f. They're jelly primers, which I heard are dupes for the Milk Hydro Grip to give to my students, as well as their putty primers, because they come with different formulas for different skin types, and I figured that'd be something nice to give them according to their skin type, and trying to get them to learn the difference between the importance of knowing your skin type. So good additions. And then I also got some of their camo concealers as well, the 16-hour one. A very good dupe for the sharp shape tape concealers, which I adore. They give you the most flawless finish in my opinion, and definitely full coverage. I also grabbed some brushes from e.l.f. too, and I believe that might have been it mostly, just to get them some stuff started. I am building up my own brush set, so you'll see me unbox some more in the next package that I'm about to open as well. Now, this next box that I got from Shop Miss A, and shout out to my makeup babe Tiff for reminding me that they had such nice quality brushes, because I am curating brush sets for each of my students, and this really came in handy. So this box is mostly just brushes, some that I have singles for the face, as well as these right here, which are eye brush sets that come in their own caddy. And it comes with a lot of brushes. They are actual brushes that I use and would use on my clients shape-wise. And I feel like it was very important and made a lot more sense for me to do my brush sets this way, because I can kind of pick around and kind of custom curate the sets according to brushes that I typically use. That way, once I give them to my students, they are actual custom brush sets for them. So that's what I ended up doing from this store. I bought a lot of stuff from them. A lot of accessories, mostly like some mirrors you'll see, which I thought were really cute, some makeup wipes, some pencil sharpeners and stuff like that. Just tools mostly in this set. I do have some more stuff coming in, but this is what I got so far in the mail. You know, it's the holidays, so I'm trying to get everything shipped out as soon as possible, but I can only do so much, you know. So mostly what you see me going through are the different face brushes and such that I bought, as well as some of the makeup bags that I got for my students, just to put all their goodies in. Everything will be included in a nice huge gift bag, of course, because this is so much stuff, but the small makeup bags will be just for travel purposes only for them, and just for them to have their little on-the-go personal kits. I thought would be really cute. And then I have so many brushes to go through, and like I said, this is just the first set, but once I'm done with this, I'll have all of the brush sets curated for my students. Everybody gets their own starter brush sets. Everybody gets their own face brushes, eye brushes, makeup wipes, pencil sharpeners, mirrors, makeup bags, a few complexion products. I have to still get some eyeshadow palettes and such for people. All of the products that my sponsors are giving us, thank God. And yeah, everything's just all inclusive. I really want to make sure everything was good to go for my students. So truth be told, that's it. That is the end of this. If you have not already, my tickets are on sale for my Polished to Perfection makeup class, January 16th. The deposit is only $150. You can get your tickets via the link in my bio, and I will see you guys at the class. Thank you. But I have to literally set the tone right. I don't want nobody to be, oh, she was not a good teacher, or I just felt like everything was just cute, but it wasn't really fulfilling. That's the next to last thing I'm worried about. I don't care about how cute it is. I would rather make sure that you get all that you're going to get out of me that you cannot get from another makeup class. Like, this is a full experience. I am including a